Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Matt and I'm super excited today because I'm going to share with you 7 online ways you could start making a passive income today if you wanted, and every single one of these ways can at least make you $100 a day. And I really think it's important for me to let you know that I've done all 7 of these ways. These aren't just things I've made up, things I found online. I've actually dabbled in every single one of these and have made some money on all of them. Some a little bit, some a lot, but I know all of them can be scaled to great heights, way more than $100 a day if you really wanted to. All of them have no limit to how much you could be making. So I'm excited to share with you guys these ways because these things can change your life. And I want to give you these 7 because not all of them are right for everyone, but there's one of them in here, at least I'm sure, that's right for you. And I do want to let you know that although none of these 7 ways are get rich quick things or, start working instantly, but number 7, I believe, is the fastest way to make money. So if you're looking for a super fast way to just start making money online, number 7 is the easiest, simplest, the most straightforward, and the fast. So make sure you stick around to the end to hear at least number 7 if you want to start making money as soon as possible. So without further ado, let's get into this. Number 1 is affiliate marketing. And I'm sure you've heard about affiliate marketing before. Affiliate marketing is where you recommend somebody else's product or service. You don't have to have anything to sell yourself. You can just take somebody else's product or service and they can give you an affiliate link, affiliate URL that people can click on. And if they go through your link and purchase the product, that product or service that you're recommending, you can make a commission on it. So number 1 is affiliate marketing. I wanted to make that number 1 because I think it's the simplest to set up. All you really need is some sort of influence, some sort of audience, somewhere you can put a link and have people trust your recommendation. You can recommend things, of course, through YouTube videos like this. You see a lot of people recommending stuff and then they have links in the descriptions below. They make a commission if you click on one of those links and you go through and buy it. You can also do it through vlogs, or a lot of people, they'll write articles that have, top 10 best blankety blank blank blank. And they'll have a list of all 10 of those things. And if you go through that link, like an Amazon link or something, they'll get a commission for that. So guys, affiliate marketing is really powerful. It's not particularly easy to build an audience that trusts you enough to recommend things. You may have to be on YouTube quite a bit like this, or Instagram, or just Facebook. Have some sort of following that you can recommend things to. This is a great way to start capitalizing on it and really recommend products that you've used yourself and you really want to offer it to other people. All right guys, moving on to number 2, and this is one I talk about on my channel a lot. It's one that I have extensive knowledge and extensive experience with, and that is Shopify. Now, if you don't know what Shopify is a platform online that allows you to create an online store for yourself where you can sell your own products. And the reason this is so powerful is because Shopify, at minimum, it's $30 a month to just have your store online, and you could do all kinds of different business models on Shopify. You can sell your own stuff, of course, that you have laying around and package it and send it, or you could do things like drop shipping, which is very popular. Drop shipping's where you get a product from a vendor, let's say it's $10, and you put it on your store, your Shopify store, for $20, and then when it sells, you keep the difference of the $10 and you order it for $10, and from the manufacturer of the product, they just send it straight to your customer. So you never have to see the product, you never have to really deal with the customer. It's all an automated system. There's also print on demand through Shopify, which is where you can design your own logos and stuff and print them on things like clothing and hats and blankets and cell phone cases, or whatever you want, and you could really start up a brand for yourself. It's all white labeled. White labeled means that it's your brand logo on it, and it doesn't say it's from China, or it doesn't say another manufacturer's company. So it's a great way for you to build your own brand, but that is a great way for you to start making a passive income if you feel like selling products. So number 3 is YouTube. I love YouTube because it's one of the only ones that anyone can just do. You don't have to have anything with you. If you have a cell phone, which most likely everyone has nowadays, you can use the camera on that and just upload videos straight to YouTube. And if it's content that people are looking for and content that's super helpful, they will watch your videos and you can grow if you just stay consistent. Now, YouTube, there's a lot of ways you can monetize on YouTube. For example, affiliate marketing, like I was talking about earlier. But on YouTube itself, once you get to a certain point, you can actually show ads at the beginning of your video, in the middle of your video, beneath your video, next to your video. And if you allow YouTube to do that, depending on how many clicks they get and all this stuff, if somebody purchases something through an ad they've seen on your YouTube channel, they will give you half of what it cost the advertiser to pay for that ad. So you can make a lot of ad revenue through YouTube just by having content, creating content and videos that people want to watch, and just those little 5-second ads at the beginning, or just putting ads in the middle of your video or underneath or to the side. People can click on those and you will make money. So guys, number 4 is Amazon, and more specifically, Amazon arbitrage. I wanted to specifically make Amazon arbitrage because it is the easiest one to get into. Anyone who has a cell phone, you can just download the app, the Amazon Sellers app on your iPhone or your Android. And what that app does is, if you create an account on Amazon, a seller's account on Amazon, with your app, you can actually walk into stores like Walmart, Target, Ross, Marshalls, wherever you want to go. And with the app, with your phone, with the camera, you can actually just scan the barcode. And in the seller's app, it'll actually tell you the ranking of that product, so how often it's selling, and you can learn the rankings, but it'll tell you how often it's selling, and it'll tell you how much it's selling for on Amazon. And what you can do is, if you find something in one of these stores that's a lot more expensive on Amazon than it is right in front of you in the store, buy it, just buy the product and send it to the Amazon warehouse. And then all you do is, when that product sells, Amazon will take care of it. It'll be Prime, 2-day shipping, whatever, and they just send you money. And it is amazing because I know a good amount of people that actually just make a lot of money just from doing this. They love shopping. So if you love shopping, this may be good for you. You just go around to all these stores, all your local stores around your area, and just scan items that you think may be popular or that you think are a good price, and just see what they're selling for on Amazon. If it's a good deal, pick it up and post it on Amazon for whatever price it says, and you can make a lot of money doing that. So that's another one. It's a very simple, easy method. You know, again, you could just download the app, scan products, buy the ones that are cheaper than they are on Amazon, send them to the Amazon warehouse. Very simple process, and you could easily make $100 a day doing this, and it's great if you love shopping. So number 5 is also Amazon. There's a lot of money to be made on Amazon. Amazon FBA. Now this is sort of the next step after arbitrage, and I wanted to mention this because I've done both of these, and FBA is a lot more lucrative. The only issue with FBA is you need a few $1,000s to start. So what Amazon FBA is it's private labeling your own products. So that basically means you can build and design your own products and use a manufacturer in China or India or the Philippines to make this product for you. Then order a bunch in bulk, you know, maybe 500 or 1,000. It depends on whatever the vendor's minimum order quantity is. But you can order, you know, make your own product, order 500 or 1,000 of them, and you could just slap your own label on it and ship it to the Amazon warehouse, and then just as they sell, you just make money. And this is great because unlike Amazon arbitrage, you're not competing with everybody else who's selling the same product, because you've created your own product. In fact, there's a really great course that I took, and I'll link my affiliate link down below. And by the way, I might have a Shopify affiliate link. So if you guys ever want to click on any of my affiliate links or ever want to check these things out, again, I've done all these things The affiliate link is down below, and of course I'll make a commission on it if you do that. It's not anymore, it just gets me some kickback in the money. So recommend, click the affiliate link. I would really appreciate it. All right guys, so number 6 is another Amazon thing, and I promise this is the last one, but this is a good one. This is Kindle book publishing. And if you don't know what a Kindle is, it's an electronic e-reader, digital e-reader. Hold on, just wait 1 second. Let me put this back on. This is a Kindle. It's an electronic e-reader. And what you can do is there's a bunch of books you can actually download, digital ebooks that you can read on this thing. And a lot of people download them every month. They have memberships to the Kindle Unlimited and they just can read stuff. And it's really cool because what you need to do is just research on the Kindle store, and there's all kinds of tools you could download to find out what types of books are selling, what types of categories of books are selling. And you can pay somebody overseas, use a ghostwriter to write that book for you. And then once you get that back, you kind of proofread it, make sure it's good. You can put a pen name on it so you don't have to use your real name. And you can just upload that book to the Kindle store. And what will happen is people will start downloading it and you can make money off of every person that downloads it. It's a really great method to make some money. And again, I haven't touched this for, I don't know, it's probably been like 4 years or something. But yeah, I haven't touched any of my books, and every month I see it in my email and my bank account. I'm just like, hey, you made commissions on your Kindle books. I'm like, oh, cool. So anyway, that's one good way to do it. And of course, you could do CreateSpace, which is with Kindle book publishing. If you don't want it to be a digital ebook, Amazon also has a feature where it's called CreateSpace, and they will print the book for you, a physical copy. So as soon as somebody orders the book on Amazon, they can print a physical copy of your book and send it to that customer, and you can make money doing that. You can also, if you decide, record it in an audiobook, and then it's available to people with Audible, which is actually where I read all my books mostly, and maybe some on this Kindle. But there's a lot of things you could do with Kindle publishing. Kindle book publishing is great, and if you love writing, this is probably the one for you. All right, so last but not least, this is the one that I think you could start making money with like pretty quickly if you really want to start making some money. Now, granted, it does require a lot of work on your part, but it is freelancing. Now, like I mentioned earlier, there's a website called Upwork, and I'll link it down below, where you can go on there and find anyone you want with any sort of skill you want to do a job for you. And what I'm saying you could do is you could be one of those contractors on Upwork that has a specific skill that people hire to do a job. So if you're good at, maybe you speak another language and you want to teach somebody another language, you can put yourself on Upwork as a language coach. Or maybe you're good at bookkeeping or financing or editing videos or graphic design. Whatever skills you have, even if you don't have any skills, you could just do like a personal assistant, like answer emails for people, which anyone can really do. You can put yourself on Upwork and just become an overseas contractor for somebody else in the world. And this is the easiest one. You don't have to build anything. You don't have to set anything up. You don't have to create an audience. You could just literally go on Upwork right now, make a profile and post what you do and how much you charge, set your own price, and just have people offer you money for jobs that they need done. Now, the reason I put number 7 as a passive income is because oftentimes you can hire another freelancer to do that work for you. Now, it may seem ridiculous and you could just do the work yourself, but I do know companies that actually just hire another freelancer to do the work for them. Now, I don't know if you feel like this is deceiving or what, but you know, if the customer trusts you and has communication with you, and then you just go and hire somebody, maybe it could even be your friend or a family member or something that's down, that you want to, you know, get some extra money, you could pay them half of whatever you're charging on Upwork to do the work, and you can collect the passive income. Set it up in a system, make it automatic, and it's an option. Those were the 7 ways that I believe are great ways to start making a passive income online. I know there's got to be at least one that's right for you. Don't get overloaded, don't overthink it. Just pick the one that felt most interesting to you, and go ahead and use my affiliate links down below if you want to check them out. And if you have any more questions or are wondering more about entrepreneurship, go ahead and check out these 2 videos right here. I make a lot of videos on entrepreneurship, and I really believe these can be helpful for you. And go ahead and subscribe if you want to hear more from me. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I will, of course, answer it like I always do. Thank you so much, guys, again, and I will see you in the next video.